Welcome everyone to Learn with Adeesha. I'm your host Adeesha and I'm going to be teaching you another simple English topic today. Today's topic is nouns. Another part of speech, nouns are words used to name a place, a person, or a thing. For example, car, tree, bus, Adeesha, your name, those are all nouns. Even the word name is a noun. So, what do you have in your home? So, think about this. Imagine that you have a pen, like I do, right here. Now, a pen, the word pen itself is a noun. Do you get the idea? If you don't, comment down below and I'll reach out to you. So, now I'm going to ask you a simple question to classify these words as nouns or not. Pause this video as soon as you see the question and try to answer it in the comments. All right? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you've answered those questions, then well done! You can even send some submissions for new topics in the future down in the comment section below. Now, don't forget to comment down the answers, subscribe, like this video, hit the bell button, and share this video with everyone you know. Now, with that being said, let's get on to the next topic in our list, which is concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are things that actually exist in real life, such as a bottle, a computer, or even me, or you, or a person you know. Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Edison, light bulbs, all of those are counted as concrete nouns because they actually exist or have existed. Now, abstract nouns are the opposite of concrete nouns. That doesn't mean they don't exist. That actually means that they do exist, but only in your mind. Their emotions, such as fear, love, hate, happiness, sadness, or wisdom, those are all known as abstract nouns because they don't exist in real life. They're actually in your mind. They exist in your mind, but they don't exist in real life. Happiness isn't a tangible thing, meaning you can't touch it, you can't feel it, you can't interact with it. That's what makes a concrete noun and an abstract noun abstract. If you can touch it, if you can feel it, if you can manipulate it, it's a concrete noun. A bus, you can touch it, you can feel it, you can manipulate it to move. It's a concrete noun. Happiness, you can't do any of those things except for manipulate. If you can't touch it, then it's definitely an abstract noun. Remember that. Now there's another question heading your way right now. So get ready in 3, 2, 1. Answer. If you made it through that, well done! You're actually getting smarter and smarter right now. Now let's go on to the next topic, or the last topic on our list, which is collective nouns. Collective nouns describe an entire group of things, such as a flock, a group, a pair, a duo, or a team, a club, a school, a fish, a litter of kittens, a bunch of grapes. All of those nouns are counted as collective nouns. Bunch, group, club, school, litter. They're all counted as collective nouns. Now, on to the last question on this list, which is question 3. Now, this one I'm going to give you a small hint. You have to separate these words into whether they're concrete, abstract, or they're collective nouns. This is going to be your final test for this video. So get ready and amass all the knowledge you've learned here in this video to answer this question. In 3, 2, 1, start. So, have you completed those questions? If you did, I'm so happy for you. Thanks for being with me and taking all of this time to learn with me. I'm Adeesha. This is Learn with Adeesha. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!